apricot tree, and a new site for a native plant garden. Cherry trees and the live oak trees that you can see really tower above my space now. And then here is my latest door restoration project happening in the corner here. Sit spot with an open pit fireplace, as well as 2 new rose bushes that have been added here. Another vegetable garden, apple tree, and of course my nature art work area, which is a mess, as you can see. Bird feeders galore along the side, and a new bed that I'm working on, which should be ready for planting in the fall. Here I'm trying to convert grass into a meadow with varying degrees of success. That's still another work in progress. Dahlias, as you can see, and huge sunflowers this year for some reason. Tomatoes, fig tree, and of course the gray barber, again with lots of sunflowers.